Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I just got a new JBL 230NC TWS Bluetooth earbuds. Okay, and in this video I'm going to unbox it and let's check what inside the box. Okay, first of all I'm going to measuring the size of the box. Okay, you can see here it's about 70 millimeter, and from here to here you can see it about 135 millimeter, and for here to here it about 45 millimeter. Okay, so you can see another detail on the back of its box. You can see the earbud from here and on the left side. And the thing that I like about this earbud, you can see here on the earbud you can use about 10 hours, and with its box it charge about 3 times, so totally with the earbuds itself it's about 40 hours. Okay, now I'm not take the time so long, and now we can remove the sticker here and let's check out what inside the box. Okay, and I put the sticker on here. And we take it out. Okay, empty inside the box. Okay, there's nothing else inside the box, and from here you got the Type C cable connection and the length of it about this distance. The length of it about 260, and it about 10 feet. Okay, and the box of it, and we have multiple tubes of this rubber, and here you can take out the user manual, and okay, we can take it out from here, but I already removed from here. Now here's your earbuds. Okay, and I keep it here to make it looks better. And inside we have a multiple user manual, quick start guide, Google Assist setup guide, Amazon Alexa setup guide, and this is a safety instruction and warranty card. Okay, I'm not gonna show the QR. Okay, and now the important thing, we got this rubber, two types, small one, big one, and I think on the earbud it's the medium one. And you can see JBL logo here, and inside it box, when you open it you can see 50% of the battery so up on the box. Okay, now let's try to input it. You can see the left side, and you can see the remark here, L and O, left and right. Okay, put it inside, and you can see it's now charging. Okay, now charging. Okay, as it's so on the manual, first time you need to put the earbud into the box, and after that turn on its cover, and you can now try to connect your Bluetooth. Okay, let's try together. Okay, now turn the cover, and you can see now it's the earbud, it's already connected to each other, and the blue light is blinking. Okay, and you can see on my tablet the JBL Tune 230NC TWS. Pairing. Pair. Okay, now connected. Until the connected, you will see the blue light is now not blinking on the earbuds. Okay, and now let's play any music. Okay, so now I play the music. Okay, and it worked well with my tablet, and the sound quality is nice, and it's as good as the price of it. And first time you need to try for any size of it, small, medium and large, any size that fits to your ear, and then you need to try one by one. Okay, now you can see it fit into my ear, and another side you can see, and it's not easy to drop. You can see here, the size of it is about 60 millimeter or 2.5 inch, and the height of it is about 50 millimeter or 2 inch, and here it's about 1 inch or 25 millimeter. Okay, and you can see detail inside its box. Okay, and on the back of it is the charger connection, and here is the battery and the JBL logo here. Okay, now we try to change the rubber. To change it, you just take it out like this. So here the speaker, can see when there's no rubber, and the small one just press inside. Oh, this one is the biggest one, the large one. Okay, and then try until you can feel comfortable with your ear. And the size of it is about 1.5 inch and 40 millimeter. Both left and right are the same. Okay, now let's try to charge it. So I bring the socket, and inside it box there is no the adapter, so you need to have your own adapter. And now I input the earbud back to its box, right? Okay, the right one, the left one, and then you can see here only one, and we have the line is about 1 2 3. Okay, and now charge it. So when it's charging, you can see here the light is blinking like this. Okay, and it's difficult to put the box up right here, so you need to put the box in the position when you charge. Okay, and I think that's it. That is all for today's video of the first time unboxing the JBL Tune 230NC TWS Bluetooth earbuds. And now thanks for your time watching this short video. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day. Okay, I put it back to its box. Okay, bye bye.